Hi, it's Pelham out here at BeeWild Farm. Today we want to talk to you about how to refurbish a mum and how to keep your mums looking nice for a longer period of time. This particular mum is a File Alarm Red. It's an early blooming mum, and as you can see, some of the blooms have gotten pretty brown. So all you really need to do with them as far as deadheading is just take them off one at a time like so, and as you can see, you get more blooms that are crowded underneath these that can then tend to start opening. There's a nice bud, and as you deadhead, you may find some places where there might be something that's a little bigger than you can do with your fingers, and some secateurs will come in good for that. I always keep a pair of these around in the garden and on the farm. And if you get some really tall stalks, you can trim those off a little bit. But as these new buds start to open, it will cover that up. So as you can see, by taking off the old blooms, you can keep your plant nice for a little longer and be able to enjoy the color that you have for the season. Thanks for stopping by.